Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to set fonts and colors for Wix website. So we're going to color how do we set the theme, the fonts, themes, and the color coding, and all the font sizes and the font types and everything we'll be covering here. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And now let's get started. So log into your Wix account. So once I've logged into your Wix account, so if you want to work on a website that you have already created or partially created, so once you get to your website here, so simply select the website. Or if you want to if you don't have a website and you're looking to create one, then you can click on create new site and create it. So either way, you just have to open up a site. So for example, let me just open up a site here. So I'll just use and click on this one here, create new site. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create a random new site for this. So I'm going to just do that. So what I'm going to do, I will just actually use this one. I will select this style because this is just I just created partially created this, so I'll just use this. So either way, just click on the website and it will load you to your dashboard. So go to your dashboards for your website's dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard here, so what we're going to do next is, like, once you've logged in and to your sites and you have also chosen your website, and then the next thing that we're going to do is, once you have accessed the dashboard, we're going to go to the design option here. So if you are creating the site from scratch, then you will have this create site. Click on it. Or else if you are just going to continue with designing your partially completed site like mine, we just click on this design site here. So either way, click on it and then go to the editor, because you need to get to the editor in order to access all the editing tools and everything. So you can actually pick a template. So I'm going to pick a template. So you can either do from scratch, or you can just pick a template. I'll simply just pick a template just to show in this video. So probably this is fine. I'm going to just use this. I'll just use this. Hit on edit, and I'm going to use this website for this demo here. So once you're you're on the website editor here, so once the website editor loads, where you have access to all the editing tools here, what we're going to do now is, once the editor loads, we're going to look at the colors. So how we're going to set the colors for your website. So basically, if you have a specific color that you have already planned, then that's fine, you can simply select those colors. Or if not, then what you can do, you can use the help of Wix to see which suits better for your team or for your website, or based on your industry as well. So what is it about, so what type of website and all those things that you can, based on that you can also select colors depending on what is it for. So while waiting for these Wix, so it's actually arranging getting ready the workspace and everything. So I'm going to just wait for that to be done. So once we've got everything set up here, so what we're going to do is, firstly we're going to look into the color theme. So color theme, so when your Wix editor loads here, so on your left side menu here, you will see there's an option called like a font with a paint bucket there. So that is the color theme option. Okay, this might sometimes take a while, because depending on the heaviness of your website, if your website is too heavy, it might take some time. So that's fine. So you click on these color code here, so which is the site design option, so this one here. So click on it. So when you click on it, okay, so this will take you to the color themes and all those things that's associated with your color. So you can simply click on this. Okay, so when you click on this will take you to this site design here, where you can choose. So you can simply select a theme for your site. So if you click on this is the current theme. So if you want to change it, you can click on change theme, and here what you're going to do, you can either use the AI to get some inputs, but if you don't want, you can just close that. That's fine. Okay, so what we're going to do, you can click on change theme, and then here you can choose different themes here if you want to. So for example, like different color themes. So for example, if you click on this will change it. If you want to click on this, so as you can see, if you click on it, it will change the theme. So you can try and see if any of these themes, based on the colors you like it, you can change that. Or else what you can do, you can go and customize yours individually. So if you go down here, you will see there's an option called customize your site design. So we're going to click on this color theme, because first we'll look into the color theme. So click on color theme, And here you can choose the base color, so whether you want a light color or a dark color. At the moment you see it's light. If you click on this dark, you will see you'll be able to change this to whatever color you want. Or if you want the right color, so if I click on this one, base color, you can simply choose how you want it to be. So if you can simply like change it. Okay, as you can see, if you change it, the color changes, and hit on apply to change the base color. So this is the base color. You can do that. You can change the base colors, and then you have these accent colors here. Accent colors are the other sub colors here, so you can do the same thing. Click on it here, and then click on it, and then choose which color type you want to, and then you can choose the shades on how do you want to, like whether you want it lighter or darker. As you can see, if you change it, so this thing changes here, the color. So hit on apply. So the same with other accent colors. So there are 4 different types of accent colors here. You can do the same thing. Click on it, and then if you want to something in reddish, so in red tone, you can do that. See, as you can see, the color the things changes. So apply, hit on apply, and you will see those colors changes. So that's the accent colors. And also and based on that, you can also, if you go to advanced settings here, you can also change the colors of your primary background colors, title colors, all the other colors. So you can simply set up all your colors through this option here. So that's basically how you can set colors using this on your Wix website. You simply go to this color theme option here, which is this option here, and then once you're done, so next we're going to look into the text theme. So for the text theme, what you're going to do, simply same thing, click on this design here, and you will see an option called the text theme here. Click on the text theme to get into the text settings here. So now when you get to this text setting here, so here you will see there is basically 2 types of fonts available. One is the heading fonts. Heading fonts, you have a lot of it's not just one heading, you'll have a lot of subheadings, and all these subheadings you'll have a font. And the next one is the paragraph font, where you have all the contents, all the different types of contents, they will have one font. So if you want to change the heading font, you can simply click on this arrow here, and you can choose any fonts here that you want to choose for the heading. So you can simply choose one, and then it will be changed. Okay, as you can see, the font changes. Okay, and also if you click on this customize heading style, you can individually, like I said earlier, there are multiple subheadings and all those things, so you can individually edit each one here. So if you click on each one here with the pencil icon here, each heading, you'll be able to change the specific font for that heading, and then the size here, which you can simply change here, and also the color, and if you want it bold and italic, you can fix all these things. So you can do all the customization here. Once done, hit on apply. Okay, and you can do that individually for each heading here if you want to. Alright, or else you can simply use the text, if you simply use the main font here for the headings. Likewise, the same thing for the paragraph. For the paragraph, you can simply choose anything that you want to. So the different types of fonts here, you can simply choose one for the paragraphs. Okay, so you can simply choose one for the paragraph, or if you hit on this customize option here, you'll have different types of paragraphs here. So the big paragraph, the second big, the third one. So each one you can click on each one of them and then customize this like how you did for the headings as well. So this is how you can actually change and play around. You can fully play around with the themes, and then the color theme and text theme based on your requirements. So that's how you can set your fonts and colors on your Wix website. So that's pretty much it. I hope the video was helpful. If you find this video useful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you all in another video. Thank you.